Hello everyone. Installing Windows without a USB has now become extremely easy. For this method, you only need one application and a Windows ISO file. I have provided all download links in the description, so make sure to get them from there. Let's get started. First, open Disk Management and shrink 10 GB of space from any drive. After that, format the space so it can properly store data. Now, open this PC and rename your drives for better clarity. For example, if Windows 11 is already installed, rename that drive to Windows 11. Rename the newly created 10 GB partition as bootable. This step is important because it will make the upcoming process much easier. You can also rename the remaining partitions according to your preference, so your important data is not accidentally formatted. Now, mount the Windows ISO you want to install. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, then copy them and paste everything into the newly created bootable drive. That's it for this step. Next, run the EasyBCD installer and install it in Windows like a normal application. Once installed, open EasyBCD. Go to Add New Entry, then open the WinPE tab and click the Browse button. From the bootable drive, select the boot.wim file. Now click the plus button to add boot entry. After that, go to Edit Boot menu. Here, you will see the newly created boot entry. Check it. Select it and move it to the first position so this option boots first. Save the settings and close the application. Now, hold the Shift key and restart your PC. Click Continue. As you can see, Windows installation has started. Click Install Now and proceed by selecting the options according to your preference. Here you can see the Windows 11 drive. And this is the bootable drive from which the Windows setup is running. If you want to install Windows 10 instead of Windows 11, simply format the Windows 11 drive and continue with the setup. However, if you want to install Windows 10 alongside Windows 11 without removing it, meaning dual boot, then select a drive that has at least 30 GB of free space available. I want a dual boot setup, so I select the new drive and click Next. The Windows setup has now started. If you want to fully understand this entire process, make sure to watch the video till the end, as I will explain the complete dual boot system in detail. To keep the video from getting too long, I am fast forwarding this part. Alright, Windows 10 has been successfully installed. Now let's adjust the screen resolution. Oh, the resolution is not changing. In VMware, you should always install VMware Tools after Windows installation so that 3D acceleration can work properly. So first, let me install VMware Tools. Okay, as you can see, right after installing VMware Tools, the screen resolution has automatically adjusted. Now, let's check the disk drives. Finally, I am renaming the C drive to Windows 10 for better identification. Now press Win+R and type msconfig. Go to the Boot tab and delete the NST-WinPE image. After this, only Windows 10 and Windows 11 boot entries will remain. Click Apply, then OK, and restart the system. From now on, the boot menu will appear every time, allowing you to choose which Windows version you want to run. Let's select Windows 11 and allow it to boot. As you can see, our Windows 11 desktop has loaded successfully, exactly from where we started the setup. All the renamed drives are also visible, just as planned. I hope you now clearly understand this dual boot setup process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, leave a comment below. I will do my best to help you.